Hey, how you guys doing? You guys probably have seen me on YouTube already for the first time. This is the second time. My name is Corey Day, and I'm making this video for Jason for New Way IT Solutions. So apparently, you guys, I'm in Atlanta. I got a Oracle DBA job slash systems admin position here in Atlanta, and this is I'm completing my third week here actually. And um, it's been very interesting. You know, I know you students are checking out this video and wondering if it's real. Are they really paying you um, that amount of money? But it is real. You know, it's very, very, very real. Currently, right now, I got an offer for Georgia Department of Revenue, and yes, this is with the state government. And the Georgia Department of Revenue, of course, has to do with money. So I'm learning a lot of new things in this environment that I've never learned before. And but I did my interview, my first round interview here just 4 weeks ago. And I came with my A game. I studied. I continued to do my projects. I continued to read other things outside of what Jason's going to teach you in class just to absorb and learn. You just never stop. You try to study anything Oracle for at least minimum 4 hours, and that's even minimal. Me, I go like 10, 12 hours reading something Oracle or doing the project or reading the notes or watching something on YouTube. So it is real. Um, so far I've been here. I love it. 8 hours out of the day, I probably only work maybe 2 to 4 hours of work. Even though, yes, I'm still kind of in training, but I'm getting the gist of how the environment works. As I'm here, I take notes, I record anything that they're teaching me, and I go back and I listen to it. So while you students are learning, record his lectures, audio. Go back in the house, play it in your ears, play it in the car. Listen to it like how you guys memorize songs. Let the oracle just dilute your whole brain. Forget about relationships. Forget about your marriage and boyfriend. If those people can support you and where you're going, trust me, you're going nowhere fast. The whole goal is to get to at least some point where you're making six figures. After that, you can have even more women or have a better relationship or marriage. Take trips. Because when you start seeing them checks come in, trust me, it's like, this is all I do. So I'm going to send you guys some videos since I've been here. Like, there's work to be done. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying it's no work, but for what you would know and study, and if you definitely put in the work, it's really you can figure stuff out. You're able to like figure it out or ask questions. You're able to Google. You're able to go back to your notes and different things like that. So I'm gonna show you around in my office. Everybody's wondering how much did I get offered. I got 125,000 a year. And anytime I work over 40 hours, I get paid time and a half. So that means I'm making like $67 an hour or something like that, 25 cents. Time and a half is like 90, almost $100, 90 something. Somebody do the math. 90 something, almost $100 an hour. So you can't really beat that for now. And this is just only the beginning. I'm in the next 6 months. I'm looking for towards adding another remote job on top of that. So do two at the same time. So I'm gonna show you my little cubicle, my work environment, and other than that, you guys continue to study hard, continue to listen to what Jason tells you, continue to do the projects, continue to take the advanced course, do the rack, do the data guard, absorb yourself into it. It may not make sense at the beginning, but the more you do it, the more you come to the classes, the more it makes sense. It doesn't. Rome wasn't built overnight, so just doing a video for you guys, and let me show you my little office for you guys. Can I even turn this around? No. So I'm gonna do it like this. So here's my work laptop. I take this home every night with my laptop bag, and I can work from home remotely. These are my two screens that I have. This is my team. This is the group of DBA team, and there's another full DBAs. It's about like 20, 10 or 12 of them on the other side. But this is my systems admin slash DBA, this group right here. And this is the office here, as you guys can see. So it's kind of huge. So you're in an open space, you know. But that's just what it is. So you guys, see you guys on another one. Take care.